Stock Jockey back with you. And the lady of the bunker returns the following day after the owner.
That sounds like a scary movie or something. Lady of the Bunker returns.
We're going to pour a gold bar for you, gang. And we really do appreciate all the wonderful, nice comments that you had for Lady of the Bunker.
Yeah, they were cute.
And there's some guy, I believe, in the comments. His name is Silver GT.
Shout out.
He still needs to probably wait another month or two before Lady of the Bunker goes in that direction.
It's coming. It's coming.
All right, she's gonna go ahead and put a glove on here. We got a mold. We got 500 grams plus of gold. So here we go, gang. Now, once again, that's how a professional does it, right, Lady of the Bunker? You don't spill over the edge of the mold.
Right.
Okay, hot crucible, done. Gold is cooling off. Lady of the Bunker, I believe, has a fresh wire brush today, too.
I do.
And you're going to see a little difference in her technique when she quenches this bar, because I don't think she does it the same way as the owner of the bunker did yesterday.
No, I know.
She's not concerned with the borax as much.
I usually don't have issues taking the bark out, so my technique's just fine.
All right, she's getting the counter wiped off here.
You really have to show all this?
What was that, Lady of the Bunker?
Nothing.
All right, we're going to see the bar cooling off while she's getting ready to quench it. And as you can see, once again, all the beautiful colors. As it's cooling down, the purples, the oranges. Crucible's still flaming. But yeah, I can honestly say that I'm very glad to see Lady of the Bunker back doing a pour today, because that makes for real fun videos, especially for those people on Steemit. Follow me on Steemit at Stock Jockey. And I'm working on getting the Lady of the Bunker to get her own account on there. She's busy though, she's got a lot of work to do, so it's the only reason she probably hasn't gotten an account on there yet, but she will. She will. She'll see the light. And while we're waiting for this to cool off, I know she had to run up front to help some customers that were looking to sell some scrap. And I got another little treat for a lot of my fans. Well, a lot of Lady Bunker fans, not my fans. A lot of fans that want to see some really neat stuff. I'm going to probably put out some other videos, some junk silver videos, or a junk silver video that I did over the last couple of days. You'll enjoy that too. I mean, who doesn't like seeing a bunch of junk silver all in one place? And while we're waiting for this to cool off, once again we got the Lady of the Bunker up front. And what I like about these kind of videos is these can be really long videos, because we don't know necessarily when the Lady of the Bunker is going to come back to dump this gold bar out of the mold. So I'll just keep the dialogue going, keep you entertained. I'm sure if I have too much dialogue and keep you too entertained, there'll be some comments, good or bad. Let them fly, I don't care. I'm not into suppressing and banning anybody. You can say whatever you like. And yeah, so here she comes. The Lady of the Bunker is back. She's putting her glove on. And she's ready to go and cool this baby off. She's gonna dump that gold bar out of there.
That looks good.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
The borax looks really good.
All right, there you can see the difference between the owner and the lady of the bunker when she quenches her bars.
I just drop it.
Just drop it.
Just drop it like it's hot. It's hot.
All right, so here we go.
This is ugly.
No, that's not bad. It's a smaller bar, but it's not bad.
No, it's just I melted a lot of silver, like flatware before this, and I should have cleaned
The mold?
the crucible.
Oh, the crucible.
And the mold. Yeah.
That's really not that bad. All right, so she's going to go ahead. We got that pretty well cleaned up, gang. And Lady of the Bunker is happy because she knows that the weekend is ready to start soon.
Yes.
She's probably going out partying tonight, for all I know.
Probably. Yeah, right. Gotta pay bills, remember?
Oh, yes, that's right. Okay, so we're going to take this up front. She's going to dry this off. We're going to take it up front. And we got this scale out. And we're going to see how much this gold bar weighs. There it is. That's beautiful, actually.
It's alright. Could have brushed it off some more, but
592.7 grams. And we'll get a good look at it here. Stock Jackie will give you a good look at the front. Here. Oh, there he goes. He almost dropped it on the floor again. There we go. There's the front. Sides. The end of it. The other side. And the character side of the bar. With all the ripples and craters and stuff. Pretty cool, actually. And yeah, Lady of the Bunker is going to wrap up her Friday in March here.
Yes, sir.
And we're going to make sure everything's all counted out properly. And you picked up a little scrap silver also here while you were waiting to pour that bar, didn't you, Lady of the Bunker?
I did.
A little scrap silver that just came in also. She'll probably melt all that on Monday. And we'll check out some of that.
10 days.
And oh, that's right. You have to hold on to it for 10 days.
Yeah.
And I'm sure you'll understand why. In case somebody wants to say, "Hey, that's mine," and they can prove that it's theirs.
I really doubt people care for $3 worth of silver, but it's the law.
You never know. That's the law. All right, folks. Once again, 592 grams of gold. Thank you again for all the nice comments for the Lady of the Bunker. She really enjoys all the nice things you say.
Yes, I actually went back and read them all, like that night that you posted them.
So that's why we're going to continue, like we have, to put out good quality content
I had to hear it.
with the Lady of the Bunker, and we do appreciate it. So Stock Jockey's reminding you to keep on stacking your gold bars, your silver, whatever form, coins, rounds, numismatic coins. And Stock Jockey, on behalf of the Lady of the Bunker, and the Lady of the Bunker will tell you that we are
Out of here.